This is a SP Laser 2035 printer, and today I will fix this and check the problem. What is the problem? I have given the test trace, and this is the issue. Today I will fix this. And I thought this problem comes from the fusor film, and maybe fusor film is broken. Check the toner. Toner condition is okay. No spot on the drum, and you can check it using the hand. And yes, material of the fusor film and has broken, and I will show this. Let's open it. Before I open this screw, I will open the gear on this side. And this is the pressure roller gear. This also need to be opened. Unlock this from here, this gear, and after that open it. Now this, and you can check this here. This piece of frame is broken from this here. Let's open and change it. Pressure roller condition is not bad, and it would be okay. And open the spring. This is very easy to open, and check this pressure roller. Pressure roller condition is okay. Here is no problem. This part have to be cleaned properly. Let's use the fusor oil, and which is heat proof. Let's this is okay. is one screw, and here is also one. Before I open this screw, I will open the gear on this side. There is one gear I need to open, and this gear also. And this is the pressure roller gear. This is also need to be opened. Unlock this from here, this gear, and after that open it. And this is the freezer film. This is the freezer freezing jack. I need to open this also. This. And you can check this here. This freezer film is broken from this here. You can check this here. This freezer film is broken. Okay, let's open and change it. Use this here. Freezer film installation is complete. Let's set up it. Okay. Let's set up the back cover. Now our printer work is done, and let's check it. It's up or not. Printer is okay. Give the test paste and check. And you can see, and it's perfectly okay, no issue. And you can see the before printer page, and this is the after repair. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.